by you. Just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How you say name?
Ageable.
Okay.
Say it again.
Do you believe in sex before marriage or after marriage?
Says much in it all the way. After, before, and everything. No.
Then, but if you are go to church and so, and if you're that strong believer in the Bible, you know, go and do that before marriage. Because I go here say you fornicate.
Brother, let's not get paranoid. Let's not get stupid about the real thing. Let's just hit the nail on the head now. Let's just hit the nail right on the head, bro. Article. There is not name less than the right thing to do. Nothing otherwise. The right thing to do is the right thing to do. Now, I agree. The Bible says it. And they preach it. And they talk all kind of something about it. But the fact is, what you gonna do about it?
Alright, boss.
No, the fact is, what we gonna do about it? No, article, let me tell you this straight right now. No, sex before marriage, that's what the Bible says. And that's what we enough people rely on. But the final analysis about it, what you gonna do? No. Let me just break something to you. If you're gonna buy a car, especially a pre-used car, right? Even if a brand new car, you know, see, if you have a brand new car, they give you a test drive, right?
Yes, man.
Right, it's good. If it's a brand new car, they say we have test drive in here, and they show you can go test drive it, right? Good. No, we're not talking about a brand new car no more. We're talking about a whole ass car. No. You are married. In marriage, in life of marriage, bro, there is a lot of element that you have to stand up with. Listen to Ageable now. I'm gonna try Jesus. I'm gonna try my best not to be wrong about this thing. And I hope when you reach the audience and the world who listen to Ageable can yes. Who no agree, I'm sorry. But for me not give a fuck about no sex with before married before sex. Creep the fucking hug. If I go hold bicycle, you ride and find out if it's a ride good.
No, but you don't can wait until after marriage you creep the hug, man.
No. Me not in a right. Okay, good. The woman want to creep the hug. But you say, the Bible say, we never creep the hug before we marry. Goodly know that him know up to the case if you creep the hug. But he use the Bible and bypass and she said, okay, alright. Maybe she want to creep the hug. Maybe him want to creep the hug.
And she no want to creep it.
And left to fear feelings. Good. And then you know idiot now. Carry out the wedding, sell your ram goat, sell your cow, and make married. No, married galang. Everything now, when the cake done yam, curry goat done yam, we go now. Hey, yes sir. But in the house, you know no children, you know no children, never come meet. No more creepy hug. No. What you mean no? Fuck that one.
I have wait so long.
Hey! Get crazy. What you mean no? If she ready, you say no. If you ready, she say no. You can go on the both ways.
Yes.
Come to find out the Rascal. The boy did a well important to Ras. No, I'm nothing. Eh? Look nice, strong, fat, nice boy. Can't do shit. What you think she could do? She get honey like fuck with her brother. I want fuck now. Hey! Let me go and good and ring fit her finger like wow.
Because she asked, she want crepe before wedding. And the boy said, no man. We have to follow the Bible.
Right. She might say the same thing too.
Yes.
You could go opposite ways.
And when everything done and say yes, she realized say him important.
Oh, he might be realized you say right now. She can't, she already need her. It could be an either
Yes.
side.
So in a situation like that, what the man or woman do?
No ask me. Cause me know what me the rat because the girl smells so sweet, she's so pretty, she short, quarter, I feel round and nice. Like when me love, I figure they short. And I go tell me say, I know tonight. What the fuck? What the fuck is that about?
No, but suppose, alright.
What?
Suppose you say I not tonight, but tomorrow she
Can't
ready.
be tomorrow night, bro.
Why?
Let me just honey like fuck me. It can never be tomorrow night. At 6 months we did the aviation, sir. At 6 months we did the aviation, and we have found the Bible. And now the day come, and everybody gone home, and we reach the which part.
Then if she find out, say she impotent, you that encourage her to divorce him?
If ask me a question again.
If she, after she married done and she find out say man impotent, you that encourage her to leave him?
Let me ask you, let me tell you this right now. She would have to make up her mind what should decide if you do about that. But let me tell you this right now. If I was in that position, why me have to go look someone for create master? I tell you the truth. Because me honey in Rasta. Me honey like fuckery.
But maybe if you find out that she not ready like that, maybe all the honey is gone.
It gone pan deso. But it gone over deso. Cause you know somebody over deso well want to creep you again. No? So it gone it honey is gone deso. But the honey is pick up over deso. You understand me? Said well, and the same thing occurred when she realized, she said, you're not ready.
Yeah.
Your time and time not ready. Johnny did a ready long time. And John ready already long time. And she didn't want 3 months.
So yeah, say then, you that tell any man or any woman say, before them say I do and go married. No.
Taste the water, how deep it is.